AIDS. I think everyone knows this disease condition. But how it occurs? Do you want me to repeat it? But there is a difference between HIV and AIDS. HIV means AIDS. No, it's not like that. HIV is a virus that attacks on immune system. And AIDS is a severe condition that develops as final stage of untreated HIV infection. These are the infection how after HIV infection symptoms occur. मुझे आपको डराना नहीं है. I just want to show you in HIV patient how infection occurs. This infection is treated and prevented. Yes, it can be treated and prevented also. Now in modern medicine, medicines are available. It is not necessary that if the patient is HIV positive, then the patient will have AIDS. No, it's not necessary. If the patient is HIV positive, then only after that also we can prevent the patient from having AIDS if the patient is HIV positive. If the patient is HIV positive, still we can prevent that the patient should not have AIDS. We can stop on the HIV only. We can do that. As earlier I told you, HIV and AIDS both are different things. With the help of medicine, that medicine we call as ART. This medicine suppresses the virus and allowing your immune system to function and preventing the progression to AIDS. Diagnosis and treatment are critical for managing HIV effectively and preventing severe immune system damage. Because एक बार immune system damage हो गया तो reverse होने में time लगता है. That is why it is critical for managing severe immune system damage. Now, might be your question will be, without medicine, is it possible that HIV patient will survive? No, without medicine, that is not possible. Without medicine, patient with symptoms will have severe pain, a lot of pain with that diseases. Patient will survive for 2 to 3 years without medicine. But with medicine, patient can live a long healthy life, but only for the HIV positive patient. In short, HIV virus nothing do in your body. That virus enters in your body and it will stand in your body. It will take place in your body. After this virus enters and takes place in your body, this HIV virus lowers your immune system. So, naturally, the diseases will enter in your body. All diseases. It might be pneumonia, it might be cancer, it might be skin infections because that virus entered in your body. That is why it will allows that virus to enter all the diseases. That virus allows to enter all the diseases in your body. So, HIV virus will convert into AIDS. But if treated, we can stop the HIV there and there itself. I hope you are understanding what I am trying to say. Between HIV and AIDS, there is a difference. And HIV and AIDS are transmitted by the body fluid, all kind of body fluid, except saliva. You can sit with a HIV positive person, you can have lunch with a HIV positive person, but avoid body fluid, all kind of body fluid.